Hi, LindaBauwin here from StampingWithLinda.com, your cardiologist since 1997, helping you create cards from the heart. Today is just a quick video, and I want to showcase the Bird Ballad laser cut cards and tins. These are found on 168 of the annual catalog, and they are a well-kept secret. At my recent retreat, each person that came got a box of these laser cards. They come in this beautiful tin. In a couple days I'll show you what we did with that tin. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a technique today in my video using these laser cards. Now they're a little bit different than the laser cardstock because you don't have to cut them out. They're already a card. And the front is like so. So what we're going to do today is we're just going to take a piece of very vanilla and we're going to slip it inside that laser card. We're going to bring in a scrap piece of paper with our sponge roller and our Mary Malo ink pad. Now, when you're using the sponge roller, you want to roll and lift. So just like you were putting paint on your roller if you were going to paint your walls, we're going to make sure that piece of vanilla is inside, and we are just going to sponge over that laser print. And what we're doing is we're getting a masking look on the back side of that vanilla. Now next Friday I'm going to use that piece that we're brayering for my card, but today we're actually going to use the laser card like it is brayered. So when we pull this out, what we have is a fun design like that. Again, come back next week and I'll show you what I'm going to do with that. But today we're going to be working with this card. And what I have done is I have taken the rose stamp set, the Christmas rose stamp set that is a limited edition, and I have already stamped and colored in, or I colored in the leaves and stuff with my stamp apparatus. I did a video on that a week or so ago. I will put the link on my blog so you can see how easy it is to stamp this stamp with the stamp apparatus. Now because of the laser, if I would glue this on the back, the glue would come through on the other side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this stitch rectangle that I have already cut out with my die cut. I'm going to kind of eyeball it to try to get it as close to the middle as I can. So that looks pretty good. I'm going to reach over and get some dimensionals, and I'm going to place them on the back of my rose. And what happens is it will stick to that rectangle stitch, just going to double check, and give me a background for that card. Isn't that pretty? Now, how will I know where to write? I simply have another rectangle that I have cut out. I'm going to put it face down on the background stitch rectangle. I'm going to add, oops, got a dimensional backing there. I'm going to add my snail and then just close up that note card. So there you have, isn't that pretty? And then when you open it up, you know exactly where to write. But next what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in that gold shimmer ribbon. This is part of that special suite that's being offered for a limited time. And I'm just going to wrap that ribbon around and just tie a square knot. Well, if I could get it straight here. There, I think I've got it. Seem to be all thumbs today. I'm going to pull this around and just tie a square knot. You want to make it tight, but you also have to watch because that laser paper is a little bit thinner because of all the cuts. So let's just kind of pull this out like so. Pull that ribbon up towards the top and take my snips and cut it. So a very quick card. This tin is just so beautiful. Like I said, we colored the tin of the laser cards, and we also did a series of cards that I'll be sharing over the next couple days. So there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed today's tip, and you join me again real soon. Bye-bye.